Feeling attractive is subjective, and it's important to prioritize self-acceptance and confidence. However, here are 20 general tips that may help you enhance your appearance and boost your self-confidence. Practice good hygiene. Maintain a clean and fresh appearance by regularly bathing, brushing your teeth, and taking care of your hair and nails. Dress for your body shape. Wear clothes that flatter your figure and make you feel confident and comfortable. Wear colors that suit you. Experiment with different colors to find shades that complement your skin tone and make you feel radiant. Take care of your skin. Establish a skincare routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activities to stay fit, improve your posture, and boost your energy levels. Maintain good posture. Stand tall, with your shoulders back and your head held high. Good posture can make you appear more confident and attractive. Smile. A genuine smile can instantly make you more approachable and attractive. Practice good oral hygiene to maintain a healthy smile. Enhance your natural features. Use makeup to highlight your best features and boost your confidence. Get enough sleep. A well-rested appearance can make you look more vibrant and attractive. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps maintain healthy skin and gives you a fresh and glowing appearance. Eat a balanced diet. Consume a nutritious diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains for overall health and vitality. Maintain a positive attitude. Cultivate a positive mindset and radiate positivity. This can make you more attractive to others. Be kind and compassionate. Treat others with kindness and respect. Showing empathy and compassion can make you more appealing to others. Practice active listening. Show genuine interest in others by actively listening and engaging in meaningful conversations. Develop your personal style. Experiment with fashion and develop a style that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident. Cultivate self-confidence. Work on building your self-esteem and believing in your own worth. Confidence is attractive. Maintain good grooming habits. Keep your hair, nails, and overall appearance well-groomed and tidy. Express yourself through your fashion choices. Wear clothes that reflect your personality and make you feel authentic. Develop good communication skills. Effective communication can make you more engaging and attractive to others. Be true to yourself. Embrace your unique qualities and quirks. Authenticity is attractive and appealing. Remember, attractiveness goes beyond physical appearance. It's about embracing who you are, feeling confident, and treating others with kindness and respect. Focus on being the best version of yourself and radiating positivity, and you'll naturally exude attractiveness.